Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to safely jack up your Mercedes CLA 250. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface. Engage the parking brake and use wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any accidental movement. Identifying the correct jack points is crucial for safety and to avoid vehicle damage. We'll cover these essential first steps to prepare for a successful lift. Now, let's find those critical jack points. Your Mercedes CLA 250 has 4 reinforced points, typically located just behind the front wheels and in front of the rear wheels, along the side skirts. You'll need a reliable hydraulic floor jack and at least 2 sturdy jack stands. Always check that your jack's lifting capacity exceeds your vehicle's weight for maximum safety. Having the right tools makes the job much easier and safer. With your equipment ready, it's time to lift. Carefully position your floor jack so its lifting pad is centered directly under one of the designated jack points. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, watching carefully to ensure stability. Once the tire is clear of the ground, immediately place a jack stand securely under a strong part of the vehicle's frame, close to the jack point. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. After placing the jack stand, gently lower the vehicle until it rests securely on the stand. This ensures stability while you work. When your task is complete, slightly raise the vehicle again with the floor jack, just enough to safely remove the jack stand. Then, slowly and carefully lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Finally, remove the floor jack and any wheel chocks. Double-check everything before driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.